I'm Eric Olinger. I'm a global principal technologist at Equinix. Enterprises rarely seek guidance on understanding options for cloud and business partner or supply chain connectivity. Some see the internet as just being good enough. Others struggle with the cost of MPLS from traditional providers. The answer lies in understanding key differences between public and private connectivity. So if I took a traditional private data center and I wanted to make connectivity to a public cloud platform, a lot of times organizations will use connectivity that they have ready at hand, such as an internet connection. And that internet connection is secured by using an IPsec connection. And the thing about the internet that you want to think about is it has no SLA, just like the hotel Wi-Fi. It faces performance challenges every day. And the AI era stands to significantly constrain the bandwidth on the internet. Experts predict that this will become a bottleneck. In addition to using internet connectivity to the public clouds, a lot of times we find customers who will connect their critical business partners or supply chain also using IPsec. They just run these as IPsec tunnels to a firewall device or maybe an SD-WAN device even, but also using the internet. Now, on the public cloud side, these connections are the most expensive way that you can get data to move out of a cloud on the egress side, and they run about 9 cents a gig. On the private side of connectivity in this scenario, some customers will use an MPLS network. And connections are also possible to your public cloud providers. You could also provide connectivity to your critical business partners using MPLS. Now, MPLS is private-based connectivity. In some cases, it's more expensive. It could even take months to be delivered. And lead times are even extenuating further. There is a better way to integrate these type of functions. We should be building networks in a single day, not months. Let's talk about the solution. If I were to deploy services at an Equinix IBX, that stands for an International Business Exchange. I can facilitate connections to cloud providers, using Equinix Fabric. Equinix Fabric is a global network that allows you high-speed, low-latency, private connectivity to cloud providers as a layer 2 connection that you'll build to the cloud as an express route, a Google Partner Connect, or an Amazon Direct Connect. Fabric is live in minutes. It's all private connectivity, and between locations, it's backed by an SLA. And the data that you traverse on an Equinix Fabric backbone does not charge by the gigabyte. Equinix also is a home to many of your business partners. And those business partners can have connectivity also in the form of a layer 2 connection that comes right back to Equinix Fabric, providing you a very secure pathway that does not traverse the public internet for your secured business partner access. In addition to your business partners that may be at an Equinix facility, Equinix also offers access to ecosystems like financial services, healthcare and life sciences, high tech, and retail, and offer last mile as a service connectivity to your business partners, like using a network service provider that's already connected to Fabric. Whether you need access to 1 business partner, 10 business partners, or thousands, or even scalable cloud connectivity, private digital infrastructure is an industry-leading solution to address cost and agility constraints, and Equinix can help get you there. Please use the link in the description below, and thanks for watching.